Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will set up our main activity like menu or rename the fragments. So let's get started. Open your Android project inside Android Studio. Now go to app directory. After that, go to resources. Then choose menu. And here you can see bottom new menu XML file is exist. Double click on it to open it. Now click here to go to code view. Now as you can see, our first menu name is home, second is dashboard, third is notification. But we need first one home, second one is for category, and third four is for another API for locate me, right? Okay. So first of all, rename these titles. How you can do that? Go to the string values, then string.xml, and change this here. Title dashboard rename to the category. Okay, check it. It has been changed. Now do same with the notification. Name it locate me, right? As you can see, it also has been changed. Now to avoid the confusion of the IDs, so change the menu IDs. As you can see, it is the navigation home as the name and ID matches each other, but it is for the second item it is the navigation dashboard, and our title is category, so it is making confusion. So let's rename it. Just simply remove dashboard and type category. Okay, now you can also change the icon of the category or any icon. How you can do this? It is very simple. Let me show you. Go to file menu, then select new, then select vector asset, right? Then you have to click on this clip art icon. Click on it. After that, you have to search for the icon. There is a lot of icons, as you can see. So you have to just simply icon. For example, mm, locate meet is not there. Location, okay. Location. There is a very many location icon exit. Let me select this one. Press OK. After that, you have to name it. Do not make a capital word or give any space. Okay, or you can just as it keep default. Do not change. Okay, you can change the color from the here, but we not need for now. Just press next. After that, finish. Now, as you can see here, title is showing is a bell icon. So let change it here. Just type the name of the icon. It will also get you like that. Then press enter. As you can see, our icon has been changed. So also change the this ID, remove notification, and type locate location or locate me. Now it has been done. Now you have to change renaming the fragments too. Okay, how you can do that? But before renaming the fragments, you have to define these IDs, because we have changed the IDs. So you have to put these IDs into your main activity class. Okay, it is working fine, but you have to change how it is working, because you have to change go to navigation, and you have to change it there, mobile navigation, right? uh, your main activity class picking up this from mm, this this one, navigation home, navigation dashboard, navigation notification. You have to keep the same id as like this bottom navigation, right? Do not make a differentiate. So the first one is navigation home, second is navigation category. We have make the changes, so just select and copy it, go to mobile navigation and select it and paste, right? It has been done. Now go to bottom menu and select location and copy, go to mobile navigation and paste it here, and it had been done. Now go to the main activity. Now type here navigation category, and it is navigation location. It has been done successfully. Now as you can see, in the fragment directory we have three fragments, but we not need dashboard and a notification fragment. So do not remove them, just to rename it. How you rename the fragment or activity? It is very simple, but just focus on it that uh, if you want to rename anything, then simply right click on that, then you have to go refactor, then select rename. Okay, after that remove this one and type your name. You can select or choose or write any name as you want. It is totally up to you. So let's make it a category fragment, right? After that, select refactor. It has been done. Let's open it to check whether the changes are applied or not. As you can see, our class name has been changed successfully. Okay, now do same for notification fragment. Select it, right click, and then select refactor. Go to rename. After that, rename it to location fragment, right? Then press refactor, and it has been done. Check it. As you can see, class name has been changed. So we have successfully changed our fragments. Now let's open your main activity main file, xml file. Go to layout, double click on activity main.xml. As you can see, let me zoom it. As you can see, home, category and locate me, and icon is also are, all three icons are working fine. So if you want to make changes or background changes, then you can simply do it in the bottom navigation view. Okay, it is not a part of our lecture, so I am skipping this one. And now as you can see in the introduction, we have a context menu on our toolbar. So how we can create it? It is very simple to create it. You have to just go to your main activity file. Okay, but before going to let's move this activity to activity directory. So it is making us confusing, because every time we check inside this and it is the found in the below, so it is very confusing. So let's drag and drop into the activity folder. Just select refactor. Everything has been done in the latest version of androidstudio. You not need to worry about changing package name or other dependency, etc. Okay, it has been done. As you can see, uh, there is no error. Okay, now we have to add a action menu. in the toolbar. How you do that? It is very pretty simple. First of all, you have to create a menu layout, right? How you can do that? Just copy this one, or you can simply right click on it, click on new, and then select menu resource file. Okay, but you have to write the every code from scratch. Then just simply copy it, press Ctrl C, then go to menu, right click and paste, and give the name of the menu. Let's say it action menu, right? You can give any name to your menu. It is totally up to you. For as per the introduction video, we have only a menu. So let us remove other two menus. Now we have one menus. Okay. Now what you can do? We have to make this menu mm, to remove these three dots. How you can do this? Users must be able to see your menu directly by clicking on this icon. Uh, you just do not have much time. If you have a single item and then you do not have time to click on this three dots icon, then select your this menu, right? So just to simply put this menu uh, beside of this three dots. How you can do that? You have to just write a code, uh, just uh, keep your cursor at here and press enter, then type show as action, because it is a action menu. So basically we are instructing him that how you have to show this menu. So write down show as action as it is suggesting, just press enter. Now just you have to type if room, then again it is suggesting us, just select enter. It has been done, as you can see. Okay, now we have to need a different icon for this icon. As per uh, our video, we have a different icon. So go to file menu, new, select vector and go to search and type info, right? Select info, then press ok. After that you can select the color from here. Let's make it white. Okay, now it has been white. Then press next and finish. Now type the menu name here. It is from info. It is suggesting us, just press enter. As you can see, it has been changed. Let me zoom in. Now see, it has been successfully changed. As you can see, it is there, right? uh, Now you have to add some programming inside your main activity file. Okay, and what you can do, you have to create a own option menu. How you can do that? Let me show you. Just write down your code outside the onCreate method, press enter, and after that you have to create a onCreate options menu. This is inbuilt function. You have to just write down it. Let's public. Your menu should be public, not private. Okay. Let's public boolean on create create options menu. After that you have to define menu and menu and menu. Just to select red icon and press alt plus enter. Import the class. It has been imported. Now you have to write the code. menu inflator. Select it and again name it inflator or whatever you can give any name as like this. Okay, then again get menu inflator, right? Semicolon. Go to next line, then select menu inflator dot inflate. Then you have to type your uh, action menu from under the resources file, which is the action menu.xml file. So how you can do that? In the previous video I have told you that all the resources will get started from r dot. Okay, so let's press r dot menu. It is a menu, so select menu. Okay, and in the menu folder it is a action menu. Okay, then type action menu. Okay, after that mm, you have to pass this menu inside this one menu, pass here. Okay, now it has been done. After that we have to return true. Sorry, return true. Our own create options menu has been created successfully. Okay, but we have to make it actionable. Means if some user click on this icon, then it should show something or visit any page or open any activity or fragment as you want to show. Okay, how you can do that? You have to just do like this and do not make this method to override. Just press at the rate override. Okay, now let's create a option item selected method. Public boolean, sorry, public boolean on options item selected. Okay, now you have to type the menu item. As you can see, it is there. And name it other name item or menu item. You are totally free to give it a name. Also make it override. Now you have to find out the ID of this action menu, because without the IDs we cannot make an action. We can do, but it is very lengthy process. With the help of the ID it is very easier. So how you can do that? You have to find out the ID from this menu item. Okay, in the action menu file, as you can see, there is a let us first of all we have to change this name. Let's name it action menu. No, that's simple. Let's write about me. Okay, you can give any name, it is totally up to you, no issue. Go to back and how you can do that? Just type if select item dot get item id. Okay, and now we have get the item id. Now we have to check the item id uh, is equal to this one or not. Okay, just copy it and then press is equal to r dot id dot type your id. Okay, you have to put a double equal sign. I'll say in the programming it will not known as equal to. Okay. Now you have we have got the menu id and we have got that menu id is equal to our id which user have clicked this menu, right? So after clicking this menu, what you do you want to show the users, then you have to write the code here. Okay, how you can do that? Suppose that I want to show a alert dialog to the users as like my introduction video. For example, let's how you can call this in the previous video we have created a function class, as you know. Let me show you. This is here in the helper directory. As you can see, we have created a mm, uh, no, we didn't created a alert dialog method. Okay, no issue. Let us create it. Mm, just go to below this line and to make a public function. We are making a function for showing alert dialog programmatically, dynamically in any time in the entire whole project. Okay, so that's why we creating a function file. As you know, we can also show one by one into each file. Okay, but this process will be lengthy, so we have created this function file, and from there we can create a custom function to show custom alert dialog to the users on any activity fragment. Okay, it is very easier. Just watch the video. May avoid, sorry, void, and now you have to write your custom function name. We want to show the alert dialog, so let's name it show alert. Okay, you can give any name to your function. It is totally up to you. Now type string. After that, let me first explain you. In the alert box or alert dialog, we have to show a title and a message to the users when he click on sorry when they click on this action menu on about me button. Okay, then we have to show about me title and in the about me description. Okay, then we have need two strings, right? So type here string. First one is the title. Okay, comma, then type string, and next one is message or description. It is totally up to you. You can give any name. And now we have to create a material dialog. As you know, it is very simple to create. Let's you have to select a material alert dialog builder, press enter, then let's name it to anyone. New material alert dialog builder. Now you have to pass your activity context there. Just simple as like this. Make semicolon. Now you have to call this builder function, and now you have to set property like title, message, or cancellation, etc. Okay, set title first. EIT title. Okay, now set title, and title, as you know, coming from there. So you have to pass this simply. You not need to put a string concatenate. Okay, just write down title. It is automatically pick up from dynamic title. Okay, now you have to set the message. So call this builder function. Type set message. Okay, now we have a message string. So let's pass it message semicolon put. Go to next line, and again now we have to make the cancellationable true, because it is a simple alert, not a um, any other function. matlab, no, there is no security behind this alert, so you can set cancellationable true. Okay, just press dot set cancelable and make it true. Okay, it means that if users is watching your alert dialog and he click outside the alert, then alert dialog automatically hide up or dismiss. Okay, now you have to create the alert dialog. Now pass the builder inside this and create semicolon put, and you have to show this alert dialog now. Alert dialog dot show. 1 minute. That is require type $and dialog. As you can see, just keep the cursor on it. As you can see, we have make wrong type of alert dialog. So you not need to worry about it. If you do not coding and do not know how to resolve this, you have to just keep the cursor on the line and press alt plus enter, and after that select this one. There is only one suggestion, just click on it and let's see what happened. As you can see, error has been resolved. Okay, so our alert dialog function has been created successfully. Now you have to call this function into your main activity to show this alert dialog, right? Every time you not need to write this big code, just call this one and alert dialog dynamically you can show in entire app. Okay, let me show you. uh, First of all, you have to initialize this function class into your main activity class. How you do that? Just type write down private function, let make it function, and initialize this function class. Just go here after set content view, it function is equal to new function, and type the activity context, which is main activity dot case. Now it has been initialized successfully. After that, now you can use the show alert function which we have created, this one, how the type function and show alert. Now function has been called, but you have to pass a title and a message. How you will pass it? You can simply pass it by string like this one, comma, and this one. As you can see, it is suggesting that the first one is title, second one is message. So you have to title here, and let me put a title about me and write down about me here. Okay, for example, this is Vinod. But in the previous video, I have told you that do not make the string like this. Always use the resources. Okay, from into the string.xml like this one. Go to string.xml. Keep the cursor last line. Press Control D. After that, let's say it is about me. Right? Give value to it about me. Again, press Control D and write down about me description. Okay, now you have to write down your about me. It is not necessary you have to write about me. You can do anything. It is totally up to you. It doesn't matter. Okay, but I am showing here only this one. So you can write like this. Hire me to create Android apps, websites, or manage your apps, websites, and submit apps to Play Store. Like this one. You can also give your number as like this one. Okay. There is a typo in the name. Let's be forget. Sorry. Now go back to the main activity and remove about me string and type r dot sorry. You not have to give like this one. You have to put as like this: get resources first one, try, sorry, get resources dot get string, then r dot string dot about me. It is the title. Okay, now after that you have to write the description about me. It has been done. Now you have to return on option item selected. Here, return super dot on option item selected. Now type the item. Now your menu on action menu has been created successfully. Now we have to check the app. So let me connect my phone first of all. Let me pause the video. As you can see, our phone has been connected to Android Studio. So let's run your app from by clicking on run app icon. As you can see, build process has been running. As you can see, app has been successfully launched. Okay, now it is working fine. As you can see, new name is category our of the fragment. It is also working fine. As you can see, it is there, right? Now check locate me fragment. As you can see, it is also working fine. Now let's check your action menu. Let's click on it. As you can see, the title about me and the description or for about me, it is working fine, right? So our video has been completed for now. I will meet you in the next video.